Hey guys, this is Amjad with another quick tip to know whether how you can leave a group chat on X. So to leave a group chat, sign into your account and go to messages. Here find the group you want to leave in your messages and then click on it. Then click on this icon. Here you can edit it, view and add people, and can even report this group chat too. Since I don't want to remain a part of this group chat anymore, I'm just clicking on leave conversation and then just confirm it. It will delete the chat from your inbox. And this is how you can leave a group chat on X. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.